Welcome to this tutorial showing how to fix data format issues preventing lookup functions to work properly. The issue is very simple. If there is a difference of data formats between the value to research and the range to explore, the lookup functions will sometimes not work. Let's go over a couple of examples to demonstrate and how to show you how to fix the data. First example. This is our data, a list of accounts with colors. This is the account number we want to look up to get the color. Obviously there is a match, so we would expect to see red when using a VLOOKUP. Let's try. Equals VLOOKUP, open parentheses, cell E14 containing the value we want to look up, comma, our data, comma, we want the color, which is the second column in our data, so 2, and then false for an exact matchup. And it's not working, it's returning NA, not available, when obviously there is a match. We should see the value red. We need to convert the value here to text to match the format of the account list in our dataset. To do so, we're going to go back to our VLOOKUP formula and we're going to convert cell E14 to text using the text function. Text, open parentheses, E14, comma, and specifying the format we want to use. This indicates like the format for text. So converting E14 to text and then performing the VLOOKUP. Let's try. Pressing enter. It's working now. So even though there is a difference of format between the range to explore and the value to research, now the VLOOKUP can work because we converted the value to research to match the format in the range to explore. In our second example, the issue is reversed. The value that we want to research is formatted as text, and the range to explore is formatted as value. So if we were to perform a VLOOKUP, a simple VLOOKUP, it will not work for the same reason. NA, not available, and again, there is a match. So we need to convert our text cell here to a value. P14 has to be converted. We're going to use the value function. Value, open parentheses, P14. That will convert P14 to an actual value. Now let's try. Pressing enter. Red, and it's working despite the fact that there is a data format difference between the value to research and the range to explore. And that's how you fix data format issues that sometimes can prevent lookup functions to work properly. This concludes this tutorial. Thanks for watching.